The most powerful force in the universe is not gravity. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
What do you think the most powerful force in the universe is?
I'm not sure.
It's compound interest.
Okay.
You know what compound interest is?
No.
It's the most powerful force in the universe, I just said. It's something that everybody can take advantage of. It's available to everybody. And you should take advantage of it early because it has everything to do with time. And attaining wealth typically is about the long-term time approach. You need a lot of time. So start early in building wealth and use compound interest, the most powerful force in the universe, to your advantage. That's what wealthy people understand and do. And every wealthy person understands this. And if you have a lot of time, you're likely going to be very successful. If you have only a little bit of time left, it's going to be very challenging for you because wealth, the foundation of wealth is about time. And if you have a lot of time to invest, your chances of being successful and wealthy are very, very good.